In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deliver a large digital file through Etsy using cloud storage and a simple PDF download. If your product file is too large to upload directly to Etsy, this is a practical workaround that keeps the delivery process simple for both you and your customer. The idea is to store the large asset in a trusted cloud hosting service, generate a shareable view link, place that link into a lightweight document, and then upload that document to your Etsy listing as the downloadable file. To begin, open Google Chrome and search for a reliable digital cloud hosting tool, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Either option works well, so use the one you're most comfortable with. The goal here is to choose a platform that lets you upload large files and create a shareable access link that customers can open easily. Once you're inside your cloud storage account, upload your large asset file directly into your storage space. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a little time, so let the upload finish completely before moving on. It's also a good idea to confirm that the file appears correctly in the folder and is fully available online, since this is the version your customers will access after purchase. After the file has uploaded, change the sharing settings for that file so that anyone with the link can view it. This step is very important. If the permissions are too restricted, your buyers may not be able to open the file, which can lead to confusion and support requests. Make sure the link is set for viewing access only, unless your specific product requires something different. In most cases, view access is the safest and simplest option. Next, copy the asset access URL and paste it into a basic text document or a simple PDF layout. Keep this document clean and easy to read. Since this is the file your Etsy customer will download first, it should clearly present the link so they know exactly where to click to access the large asset. A PDF is often a great choice because it looks polished and opens consistently across devices, but a plain text document can also work if you want to keep things very minimal. Finally, upload that lightweight PDF or text file into your Etsy listing's digital download section. This becomes the file your customer receives after purchase. Instead of downloading the large asset directly from Etsy, they'll open the document and use the included link to access it from your cloud storage. That's it. This method is simple, efficient, and especially useful when your digital products are too large for Etsy's direct upload limits.